Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tyson and today we're cooking lobster biscuits and mashed potatoes. I hope you enjoy. You will need biscuit mix right here. There you go. You will need Parmesan cheese. You need rosemary Parmesan cheese right here. Add it in here, 1 teaspoon. There you go. And finally, we're gonna add some water. Time to stir. Alright, I think it's done. Now it's time to make the butter sauce. Alright, next we need 1/4 butter. There you go. We need 1/2 tablespoon to mix. I'm reading the instructions. So we're using this to make a sauce, right? So I'm gonna put this in the microwave, heat it up. Yeah. This is excelente. Alright. Now it's time to roll these and make it a ball. 1/4 biscuit ball, like this. Action. Now it's time to put it in the oven around 14 to 16 minutes. Now it's time to make mashed potatoes. Excelente. And also, we got the water boiling. I'll see you then. Now it's time to pour the boiling water into the mashed potatoes. Come in closer. There we go. Time to stir it. Now this should look ready. Now it's time to take out the biscuits.
Who cares, nigga? I don't talk to underage niggas!
Excelente. Alright, now it's time to spread them with the garlic butter, raspberry, Parmesan mix. Yeah, sauce. Now it's time to spread it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. As in, it's time for a B-roll. They'll be testing it out and see how good it is. They'll taste it. Oh, he took a second bite. He's saying it good. Now try the mashed potatoes. How would you rate it 1 out of 10?
The whole meal is separate.
Both.
The biscuits, I give them a 7.5.
Okay.
The mashed potatoes, I give them a 9.
All right. And what's the total score then? Magnifico. All right, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.